GetonAgain GetonAgain Co., Ltd., located in GetonAgain Bayodi Economic Development Zone. We operate a 15,000 square meters production center and a 2,000 square meters RD center. We serve industries such as apparel, home textiles, furniture, automotive, medical, and military clothing. We provide tailored solutions combining custom non-standard products with mass-produced standard products, including mechatronic machines, automated production lines, and intelligent factory solutions. Pattern room equipment includes magic inkjet plotter, 2 cartridge with maximum printing speed at 110 square meters per hour, 4 cartridge with maximum printing speed at 200 square meters per hour. Vertical inkjet cutting plotter, 1 machine multiple functions, pattern drawing with cutting, or standalone drawing. High-quality rotary cutting knife can cut min 80 grams per square meter paper for sample design, cost saving. Flatbed inkjet cutting plotter, full speed map printing and cutting function, suitable for personalization, configured long knife or short knife, and optional fixed knife sleeve or elastic knife sleeve, suitable for cutting various materials. Digitizer, easily reading paper patterns, convenient positioning, simple operation, accurately reading patterns, enable to speed up the design. It is a powerful tool for traditional manual drawing digitization. Digitizer can be used in various fields, such as clothing industry, fashion design, surveying and mapping, mining, stamping and environmental protection, etc. Flatbed scanning digitizer. 1 button to start after placing scanning pieces. Can vacuum absorption auto scanning auto transmission. According to different models, support ultra long with scanning. Scanning speed up to 7,200 mm minute. Scanning resolution 150 to 300 dpi. High definition panoramic 1:1 image to ensure effective identification of various contours, notches, inner holes. Cutting equipment includes automatic spreading machine. Easily set the spreading method, length, speed, quantity and sections, with intuitive as well as simple operation. Dual use for both knit and woven fabrics, suitable for t-shirts, children's clothing, loungewear, and toy textiles. Automatic single layer cutting machine. No need to create specialized cutting molds. Cutting can be performed precisely by directly importing CAD design drawings into the equipment. Optimizes cutting paths, integrates repeated cutting lines, allows for pre-simulation of the cutting process, and supports continuous cutting for extra long materials. Strap and plaid matching cutting machine, equipped with a few HD industrial cameras, according to the capture size to perform intelligent combination. Ensure the high accuracy fabric images capturing. Strap and plaid matching auto cutter, equipped with double knives and pen draw punching working mode, special for various stripes and plaids fabric cutting in single ply. High-end clothing customization. The effect of the alignment match strap and plaid process has become the important measurement on the quality of this type of clothing. Strap and plaid auto cutter is the equipment specially developed for this process to meet matching strap and plaid clothing, suitable for single ply cutting. Process of strapped plaided fabrics. Automatic multi-layer cutting machine. Through the combination of micron-level intelligent sensing components and an intelligent control system, dynamic compensation and correction of cutter deformation during cutting operations are achieved, significantly reduces errors between the top and bottom layers of fabric during cutting, enabling truly high-precision intelligent cutting. Computerized embroidery machine. High-speed embroidery has with extremely low failure rates, long service life, low noise, and stable, reliable quality. Equipped with an upper thread clamping device to prevent thread detachment and breakage, ensuring excellent embroidery results. Suitable for textile and garment manufacturing, footwear, hats, bags, home decoration, automotive interiors, and industrial products area. Embroidery equipment includes Cloud Smart Teaching Embroidery Machine, suitable for integrated theoretical and practical teaching of computer embroidery in fields such as fashion and apparel design, clothing design and its engineering. Mixed chenille chain stitch embroidery machine. Mixed embroidery feature, according to color sequence settings, switchable between chenille embroidery, flat embroidery, simplified operation. Chenille needle height can be adjusted for 10 levels according to chenille pile height or chain stitch thread thickness to chenille pile height or chain stitch thread thickness. Multifunctional embroidery on garment, shoes, caps, Hometextile, toys, bags and luggage, art craft, etc. Multi-head tubular embroidery machine multi-head series, suitable for embroidering on flat, caps, garments, shoes, belts, bags, etc. Auto thread trimmers, auto color change, auto thread break detection, 270 degrees wide angle cap system, red light locating, LED lighting, precise head and drive system to ensure exquisite embroidery work. Drop tables, easy to lift up and down. Multiple heads greatly improves work efficiency, suitable for embroidery shops and factories of a certain scale. Computerized 5-in-1 embroidery machine, integrated 5 functions in one machine, flat embroidery, coiling, tape cording embroidery, chenille, chain stitch embroidery, double sequin device, laser cutting function, high precision, strong stereo sense, ideal artistic effect, suitable for embroidery of apparel, home textile, furniture, teaching, design and arts and crafts, etc. Tufting series equipment includes computerized tufting machines, rotary tufting head in any angle, avoid positive-negative stitching difference, higher efficiency, better tufting result, suitable for various rugs, carpets, hanging carpet, tapestry, etc. Those flooring decorative and home furnishing products tufting. Laser equipment includes small format camera positioning laser engraver cutting machine, supports survey recognition processing, with options for full sheet recognition, followed by cutting or simultaneous recognition and cutting. Features multi-template mixed cutting, allowing the recognition and positioning of different patterns to be completed in a single operation. Laser engraving and cutting machine. The cutting center can directly and seamlessly interface with software, such as AutoCAD, CorelDRAW, AI, and Garment CAD, ensuring easy operation. High cutting precision and fast cutting speed. Suitable for clothing, home textiles, furniture, luggage, toys, car interiors, shoemaking, and other industries, cutting and carving of non-metallic materials in the industry. Fully automatic large format laser cutting machine with inkjet device. Large format automatic feeding system, designed to meet the requirements for feeding and cutting whole rolls of fabric. Inkjet and cutting functions, integrated for enhanced versatility. Applicable to industries such as custom clothing, single-piece cutting, sofas, toys, footwear and headwear, textile print pattern positioning cutting, automotive interiors, industrial filtration, and advertising, etc. Sewing equipment includes automatic arbitrary rotary single needle leather sewing machine, suitable for automated leather pattern sewing in the fields of automotive interiors, car seat covers, car door panels, airplane seats, and leather furniture upholstery. Brand new integrated sewing head design, simple and elegant overall appearance. 15-inch HD industrial touch control screen. 2-size workbenches designed with a flexible mechanism, reducing size after folding for easier transportation. Sewing head can rotate at any angle, avoiding differences between forward and reverse stitches, improving sewing efficiency and stitch quality. Pneumatic lifting head structure with a stroke of 50 mm, making frame changes and span sewing more convenient. The advantage of an independently driven presser foot system lies in its ability to control presser foot height through real-time pattern programming, effectively addressing uneven presser foot pressure issues when sewing materials of varying thicknesses. Newly upgraded triple lead screw drive for higher dynamic positioning accuracy. Max speed holds midnight head, 2,500 stitches, min. Fully automatic perforation and sewing integrated machine. Punching machine head is specifically designed and developed for leather materials, equipped with various round punching tools specifications. Sewing head up moving stroke in 50 mm, providing sufficient space for material loading and easy operation. Suitable for perforation and sewing processes of various types and thicknesses of genuine leather and microfiber leather used in car seats, automotive interiors, aircraft seats, luggage, furniture, and more. Fully automatic embroidery and sewing integrated machine. 9-color embroidery machine head to meet the embroidery needs of different industries. The embroidery thread clamping mechanism incorporates a novel upper thread clamping assembly, effectively reducing thread breakage and slippage occurrences during operation. Specially designed sewing machine head for leather materials, producing beautiful stitching. Presser foot height is motor controlled and highly adjustable. Sewing machine head has up-down moving stroke of 50 mm, providing ample space for material loading and ease of operation. Suitable for various types and thicknesses of genuine leather and microfiber leather for automotive seats, car interiors, aviation seats, luggage, furniture, etc., combining embroidery and sewing processes. Fully automatic perforation special hole and embroidery and sewing rotating head machine. integrates punching, embroidery, and sewing into one machine, allowing for arbitrary pattern design and seamless combinations of punching, embroidery, and sewing for complex processes. Specially developed punching machine head for leather materials. The 9-color embroidery head meet the embroidery needs of various industries. Sewing machine head features an arbitrary rotation structure, creating beautiful stitching, reducing frame movement frequency, and improving efficiency. Suitable for punching加 embroidering加 sewing processes for various types and thicknesses of genuine leather and microfiber leather used in automotive seats, car interiors, aviation seats, luggage and furniture, etc. Fully automatic perforation round hole 加 embroidery 加 sewing rotating head machine. Integrates punching, embroidery, and sewing into one machine, allowing for arbitrary pattern design and seamless combinations of punching, embroidery, and sewing for complex processes. The 9-color embroidery head meet the embroidery needs of various industries. Sewing machine head features an arbitrary rotation structure, creating beautiful stitching, reducing frame movement frequency, and improving efficiency. Suitable for punching加 embroidering加 sewing processes for various types and thicknesses of genuine leather and microfiber leather used in automotive seats, car interiors, aviation seats, luggage and furniture, etc. Automatic high-speed leather perforating machine per punching processing of leather or microfiber leather with various types and different thickness, such as car seats, aviation seats, shoes, bags and furniture, etc. Full-scale 3-dimensional protective design ensures safer operation. The punch toolbox is heightened to prolong the punch tool's spring's service life and reduce part wear. The XY axis uses a ball screw direct drive for high-precision punching. The surface of key punching parts is strengthened to resist impact and fatigue, meeting the needs of high-intensity work. Single-head machines can make up to 2000小时 O's per minute, and double-head ones up to 4000. Automatic template sewing machine rotary head heavy material. Both the X and the Y axis use a screw and slide transmission method, providing high precision and good stability. Suitable for pattern sewing on leather and heavy materials, such as car seats, sofas, massage chairs, boat interiors, and aircraft seats. The machine head can rotate freely to ensure the quality of the sewing stitches. Automatic template sewing machine. Double belt, double guide rail, double stepper motor structure. The machine head adopts oil-free lubrication, and the rotary shuttle adopts oil-line lubrication technology to completely eliminate fabric pollution. Identify patterns through RFID barcodes and automatically switch to the corresponding sewing program for quick sewing. Used for template sewing processes such as opening pockets, notches, bag covers, collar trimming, etc. Pattern sewing machine. This machine can easily sew 1200 thick thread with a thickness of 12 mm, 2 times large rotary hook automatic thread trimming, and the maximum sewing speed can reach 2500 RPM. Automatic laser pocket opening machine. Automatic ironing free pocket folding, automatic material feeding, laser pocket opening, automatic sewing, automatic thread trimming, and automatic material collection. Front and back pockets for men's and women's clothing, suits, inner and outer pockets of jackets, dress pants, hoodies, sun protection clothing, school uniforms, sportswear, cotton padded jackets, down jackets, workwear, jackets, uniforms, trench coats, cashmere coats, and plackets for polo shirts. Quilt edge binding machine. Features of single needle compound feed, achieving cutting, binding, and sewing in one seamless operation. Enlarged right side waste discharge port with pneumatic waste discharge assistance ensures smoother disposal of waste generated during edge cutting. Special for synchronized feeding structure, including alternating presser foot, needle, feed dog, and binding attachment. Ensures no wrinkles or misalignment during straight line or corner sewing for a flawless binding effect. Designed for edge binding processes of quilts such as cotton quilts, summer quilts, spring and autumn quilts, and other bedding items. Quilts, mattress binding with pulling sewing workstation. Equipment factory standard provide air floating table and automatic pulling device. Make sewing worker operation easier and smoothly. Equipped with PLC control pulling device and synchronized with sewing machine electronic control. These two machines are working in the same speed and synchronize the direction. Optional automatic storage and vacuuming device to improve efficiency, reduce dust emissions, and provided the sewing operator a clean and tidy working environment. Binding result is rich and strong solid feel. Corners are smooth and nice. evenly stitched length, no hairy edge, no edge folding, neither corner raising effect, those negative symptoms, etc. Automatic mattress protector skirting sewing machine interlock and overlock. Suitable for processing fitted sheets, all-in-one to finish binding stitching of elastic rope cord and bag skirt, and the overlocking of bag skirt to mattress protector topper layer. Multi-hole bar tacking machine, press arm and sewing frame work synchronously. Ensure high precision bar tacking, suitable for chair pad, cushion and pillow, all those with fillings. And bar tacking requirement for reinforcing sewing work. Long arm label sewing machine, adopted connecting rod thread pickup, large rotary hook, needle bar, swinging up and down feeding simultaneously, forming zigzag lock stitch. Reasonable swing mechanism makes switching between zigzag, sewing and normal lock stitch easily and freely. Upper and lower synchronous feeding structure makes it easy to operate, with good sewing effect and beautiful stitches. Mattress flanning machine, equipped with a Juki machine head from Japan and a double bar twin needle design. Easily switches between thick and thin fabrics sewing. Flanning thickness 10 mm to 70 mm. Easily switches between thick and thin fabrics sewing. Max speed 3000 revolutions per minute RPM. Flanning width 25 mm. High-speed mattress flanning machine. Effortless switching between thick and thin fabrics sewing. Synchronized feeding presser foot structure provides excellent feeding capability, enabling ultra-thick fabrics that standard machine heads cannot sew to pass through smoothly. Flanning thickness 10 to 90 mm. Automatic lubrication and cooling system for the synchronized feeding structure. Max speed 4000 revolutions per minute. Flanning width 15 mm, 25 mm, 30 mm. Heavy-duty mattress flanning machine. Innovative drive mechanism ensures more convenient and powerful sewing performance. Adjustable stitch length of 4.5 to 6 stitches per inch. Easily switches between thick and thin fabrics sewing. Capable of overlocking extra thick mattress fabrics ranging from 10 mm to 90 mm. Maximum sewing speed reaches up to 4500 stitches per minute. Overlocking width is 25 mm. Computerized synchronized hot cutting binding machine. Designed for products requiring binding processes, it is equipped with a standard pneumatic hot cutter. The binding tape no longer requires manual cutting. Simply press a button to complete precise cutting. The hot cutting edges are clean, with no freeing or loose threads, significantly improving production efficiency. Mattress handle stitching machine. Fully automatic operation, controlled via touch screen. Customized stitching patterns is possible, significantly improving production efficiency. Easy to operate, precise positioning. Semi-automatic mattress tape edge machine. Primarily designed for sewing spring mattresses. This machine efficiently completes edge overlocking between mattress fabric and sidewall fabric. It is also suitable for sewing other types of mattresses and sofa cushions. Key features include an electrically adjustable work table with high strength, independent support, ensuring exceptional stability during operation. Intelligent tabletop overlock flanning machine. Equipped with a modified Juki thick material overlock machine head. Newly designed ultra-high lifting presser foot with a lifting height of 35 mm. Machine head can move, making threading and daily cleaning more convenient. Flanning thickness 10 mm to 80 mm. Easily switches between thick and thin fabrics sewing. Auto flip tip edge machine. Automated transfer table and mattress turnover arm enable the operator working in one position without moving around. Variable speed drive automatically slow down on turning corner. The machine head can rotate freely to ensure the quality of the sewing stitches. When ready to sew the opposite side, turnover arm unit flip the mattress automatically. Machine head height and inclination are adjustable. Industrial sewing machines include various overlock and lock stitch machine. Flat tip edge machine, mainly used for stitching between mattress fabric and side border. Suitable for sewing other soft mattresses, bedding, sleeping bags, and tents. Stable performance, little vibration, low noisy, and high efficiency. Long arm repairing machine. This machine is mainly used for the applique work of mattress crib fabric. The upper and lower shafts of the machine are of integral structure, and the servo motor of Taiwan is used to automatically position the needle. The new pressurized foot is equipped with a needle bar lifting device to make the thick fabric complement more convenient and beautiful. Quilting equipment includes computerized multi-head rotary hook quilting machine model and double row lock stitch multi-head quilter with large rotary hook. Max speed of 1,500 RPM, more than 2 to 3 of normal shuttle quilting machine. Greatly improves work efficiency. 3-fold capacity rotary hook, less bobbin changing frequency. Beautiful stitches, no lost stitch, no thread loops. Computerized multi-head rotary hook quilting machine model E, 5-time jumbo rotary hook, less bobbin changing frequency. Beautiful stitches, no lost stitch, no thread loops. The interval between the upper and lower needle bars can be adjusted to any value from 3 to 9 inches. The lower needle bar can move half a needle pitch in the X direction, so that quilting needle bars of different sizes and patterns can be combined, especially for some non-standard size patterns, which can achieve a unique effect. Computerized multi-needle shuttle quilting machine flying shuttle for quilting of fitted sheet, bed covers, summer quilts and clothing products with quilting pattern. Computerized multi-needle chain stitch quilting machine, servo motor driven rollers and lead screws ensure precise quilting patterns, suitable for mattresses, mattress covers, sofas, bedding, home textiles and home decor. Computerized single needle quilting machine lifting head. The extendable quilting frame can be freely adjusted according to required size. GetonAgain quilting head, independent presser foot drive, suitable for various of material with different thickness. Full servo motor control, providing powerful and accurate driving force. Automatic lifting head, easily change the frame after finishing quilting. Neon quick frame changer optional. Quilting process for home textile products such as quilts, comforters, mattress protector, blanket, sleeping bag, single needle art quilts, etc. Computerized single color single row quilting and embroidery machine model A. Summer quilts, bedspreads, mattress protectors, pillowcases, blankets, garments, car seat covers, car floor mats and furniture upholstery, etc. Equipped with a new high-speed double needle quilting and embroidery machine head with surface coating treatment for parts. Maximum speed 1000 RPM. Recommended operating speed 750 to 850 RPM. Ultrasonic equipment includes ultrasonic slitting machine, adopted ultrasonic cutting technology, ensures smooth cutting edges, precision edge cutting, no deformation, for free without freeing, no fiber pull, and no edge curling problem after cutting. Cutting rollers and patterns can be customized to meet various needs. Automatic ultrasonic quilting machine, integrating ultrasonic sewing and ultrasonic edge sealing and cutting automation into one, completing the process in a single step. The latest structure design with interleaved transducers ensures embossing seamless non-wrinkles. After quilting, it can be connected with cutting machine to the finished product, or connected with rewinding device to the fabric rolls. Ultrasonic quilting machine to bond multi-layer of polyester fabric, non-woven fabric, polyester wadding, or artificial leather, etc., and emboss different patterns on it. Patterns are clear and beautiful, and fabric doesn't deform, with strong bonding and high efficiency. Ultrasonic lathe machine, ultra-high power output with adjustable power to meet the welding and cutting requirements of different materials and thicknesses. Mold size with 23 to 60 millimeters. Mold lifting system with options for manual or pneumatic operation. Stripping simultaneous single or multi-strip cutting with edge melting treatment for clean, burr-free edges. Pattern molds and welding heads undergo special hardness treatment for higher wear resistance. Various patterns can be customized as needed. Cut work lathe cuts various pattern holes with edge melting treatment. High running speed and simple operation. Bonding seamlessly fusing 2 or more layers of fabric together without thread or needles, ensuring strong welding strength. Forming cutting, bonding, and embossing tissue mills that reduct forming. Edge cutting straight or curved single edge cutting with edge melting treatment to ensure smooth, neat, and burr-free edges. Suitable for lace, decorative ribbons, home textile products, umbrella lace, tablecloths, automotive interiors, non-woven shopping bags, carbon bags, eyeglass cloths, etc. Visual recognition and inspection equipment includes cut piece visual inspection instruments. After manual placement, one-click start allows for automatic scanning, automatic inspection of cut pieces, and automatic data storage. Scanning speed can reach up to 120 mm per second, with no need for additional lighting, ensuring reliable use in all weather conditions. Scanning resolution is 150 to 300 dpi, and the high-definition panoramic 1:1 image ensures that the inner-outer contours of the cut pieces are clearly visible. Automated production line series includes multi-needle quilting machine, flying shuttle and cutting machine, and 4-side tape binding machine production line. Multi-needle quilting machine. The raw materials are quilted and fixed lock stitches, mainly used to process quilt cores and cushions. Cutting machine. Cut the quilted semi-finished materials, including trimming, fixed length cutting, slitting and rolling, and other functions. Alignment platform. Material transfer alignment mechanism. The cutting block waits to enter the next sequence on this platform, and at the same time, the cutting block is aligned with the subsequent reference processing position by translation. Automatic tape binding machine. The cutting piece is processed by the tape binding machine. Make the edge of the cut piece beautiful. The machine rounded corner tape binding process. The cutting and tape binding are integrated, and all actions are completed automatically. Automatic bed sheet production line. A fully automated bed sheet production line composed of a feeding mechanism, an adjustable with longitudinal sewing mechanism, a fixed length transverse cutting mechanism, an automatic transverse conveying mechanism, an automatic hemming transverse seam mechanism, and a discharging mechanism. Automatic blanket straight corner binding machine, capable of holding 2 rolls of fabric non-elastic, equipped with edge alignment function, automatically pull and cut into panels. Pulling lengths can be set freely. 4-side tape binding sewing process for inelastic blankets. Automatic vacuum pillow filling production line. This production line is suitable for loosening and weighing filling polyester short fiber raw materials greater than 0.7D into products such as pillows, cushions, back cushions, and sofa pads. Fully automatic 1-button start, precise weighing filling, simple operation, and uniform filling. PLC program control, automatic cotton feeding, negative pressure cotton filling, and automatic clamping tools for bagging. Computerized multi-head rotary hook quilting machine and 4-side edge sewing machine, capable of quilting patterns in various sizes without changing needle positions, greatly enhancing operational efficiency. Double row machine with lower needles row can move half of the head distance in X direction, creating combination patterns of different sizes when coordinated with the upper needles. Longitudinal sewing, double chain stitch, optional lock stitch or overlock stitch, transversal sewing, multi-needle chain stitch sewing, transversal cutting between the 4 stitches, cutting as per set length and feeding to next sequence. Roll fiber panel cutting case filling line, edge trimming, length counting, cutting for polyfiber, thermal bonded wadding, chemical bonded wadding. Machine feature, unpowered material loader, can pass bonded wadding to the panel cutter machine, equipped bearings the zones of each roller, labor saving and energy saving. Electric flyover automatic cross cutting. 2 sets of longitudinally hard cutting blades can be increased or decreased according to product track current, automatically feeding the wadding fibers into the comforter envelope case after cutting off. Length set is controlled by computer and could set any value according to requirement. Fast towel horizontal sewing machine, folding and sewing process for inelastic towels. Free sewing auxiliary equipment includes automatic edge alignment, relaxing machine, air blowing, roll fabric mounted and folded as flat fold state to achieve the tension-free for fabric placing. Wave-type air blowing device, in loosening fabric process, fabric is relaxed by the blowing device. Automatic marking machine, 1-click start, intelligent grabbing, 1 person can operate 4 to 5 machines at the same time, reducing labor cost. Automatic number adjustment, automatic counting, wrinkleless after flipping, continuous numbering, accurate and clear position. The cutting piece for jeans, shirts, workwear and down, etc. High-frequency machine, built-in stepless heating system with adjustable temperature from 0 to 300, providing auxiliary heating to shorten processing time. Spark suppressor, instantly cuts off current during sparking to prevent damage to molds and materials. Automatic overcurrent protection device, protects electronic tubes and molds, extending their service life. Embossing and stamping for car, motorcycle foot mats, blister packaging, plastic heat sealing and leather embossing. Fully automatic winding machines. Post-finishing equipment includes automatic folding and packaging machine equipment mainly composited with folding device, rolling device, stacking and compress plus conveyor device. Folding device. After the quilt is detected and transported to the designated position by sensors, a robotic arm folds the quilt into a strip shape. After being detected by sensors, the strip-shaped quilt is transported to the designated position and folded into a block shaped by a robotic arm. Rolling device. The strip-shaped quilt is transported to the automatic rolling device to complete the rolling process. Quilt roll packing machine, suitable for rolling and packing of fluffy items such as quilts, pillow, cushion, etc., to reduce the volume and storage, as well as lower transportation cost. Packing item is auto-feeding from backward to forward by the belt during the compressing process and rolled to pack into the bag. Double cylinders, double operation. Optional to models, double cylinders for double sealing and single cylinder. For single sealing, the double cylinder design increases the compression pressure and area. Double seal design, two workers operate two products at the side of the machine, greatly improve the work efficiency, suitable for compressed packing of pillows, cushions, bedding, plush toys and other products. Needle detector. Needle detector applicable for large bulky products with ferromagnetic metal detection, for example bedding, etc. Working width can be adjusted between 1,200 to 4,000 millimeters according to customer setting. Applet flipping machine replaces manual operation with high efficiency, safety and reliability, suitable for the flipping and turning process of applets or strap of various sizes and other products. Automatic folding and packaging machine economical, small floor space, simple operation, standard folding effects, automatic transferring to next station in Go ZD-B-ZD2 stacking mode. Two working modes, bagging and folding, are adjustable. Both folding width and length are adjustable within a certain range. T-shirt, polo shirt, hoodie, formal wear, pants and lightweight jacket, etc. Single, dual heads cap pressing machine baseball caps. Steam time, cap clamping time, steam output, and air consumption can all be automatically adjusted. Built-in steam generator eliminates the need for an external boiler with automatic water supply, suitable for bulk order production needs. Using robotic arm, can automatically grip the cap. Simply place the cap on the mold to complete the pressing process. Compression bagging machine. It is a compression bagging machine, automatically compressing an air cylinder, side pushing the product for bag packing, greatly improved the work efficiency. The bagging is even. Electronic control program for sure the consistency of product. Specification, finished packed product is flat and nice looking, saving packing volume size. Compression stroke is adjustable to fulfill various size of packaging. Machine mold tools can be customized according to actual requirement. Suitable for the compression bag packing of pillow, cushion, quilt, bedding, etc. Garment CAD includes garment CAD, super nesting, template CAD, intelligent tufting CAD, wire stitching CAD, perforation and embroidery CAD. In addition, GetonAgain has developed a digital operation and management system for industries such as garment processing and machinery manufacturing. This system helps customers improve production efficiency and management levels. Its features can be summarized as the 4 ones: 1 industrial enterprise, 1 technology platform, 1 data standard, and 1 operating system. It is the optimal choice for enterprises to achieve digital transformation and intelligent upgrading. Furthermore, by integrating Internet and IoT technologies, the company has developed an enterprise operating condition IoT management system, which enables the interconnection of all equipment, products, energy consumption, environment, and security within the enterprise. This system interacts seamlessly with the enterprise digital operation and management system, building a multifunctional integrated platform for enterprises. It enables functions such as data collection, real-time monitoring, data analysis, and remote management.